All right, we're here with Topps 2026 Formula 1 Turbo Attax cards. First time opening these before. Wouldn't mind any Piastri card or the golden George Russell card. So here we got Carlos Sainz, Charles Leclerc's epic moment. That's pretty cool. You can also see we've got the Aston Martin, Kimi Antonelli hero card, V-Carb, that's a cool looking car. Esteban Ocon. Who's this? I thought that was Haaland. Evidently not. Cadillac. Cool looking photo. I actually didn't realise it was them. Gold Kimi card. I wanted the Russell one, but we'll take Kimi. Alex Albon, the Thai King. Audi Revolut, and Formula 2? I thought these were Formula 1 cards. What the?